礼
礼
Etiquette, 礼, comes from the fear and respect of the nature in China. We find other forms of 礼 from heaven, earth, and nature. Li represents the authority of emperors who was given by heaven. Li also represents hierarchy. In social life, Li means that people get along with each other harmoniously and respect the elderly. Li comes from the heart of people. Showing respect to heaven, the earth, and people is important.
礼
礼